Try it yourself, using sliding animation to implement a dynamic menu. In this Try It Yourself exercise, we'll create a simple web element that provides a title bar with a sliding effect that reveals an image menu. As you hover over each item in the menu, an image slides down and then slides back up as you leave the menu. The purpose of this exercise is to give you a chance to use some of the sliding techniques discussed in this hour. The solution files are in the book's Code Listings archive in the Hour 12 folder. You'll also want to grab the 4 JPEG images from the Images folder, Image 1 through Image 4. In the source files, let's jump right into the most important piece, which is the JavaScript file. And we see in line 2 the basic ready function. Inside that function, we have a line that hides the inner div. Next, starting on line 3, we have statements to add mouse over and mouse out handlers to the span elements. On mouse over, you get the index of the span and then use it to find the corresponding image element and animate setting the height to 100, thus sliding down the image. On mouse out, you do the opposite, setting the height to 0.1 to slide it up. On line 11, we have statements to add mouse enter and mouse leave handlers to the container element. On mouse enter, you first stop propagation so you can apply the slide toggle only once during bubbling. Then you stop all animation on the images element and use slide toggle to animate sliding the entire menu. The same occurs on mouse leave. The result is when the mouse is over the container element, it slides down and slides back up when the mouse leaves. You're probably anxious to see how this works, so why don't we select the HTML file in Aptana Studio and run the file in the Firefox web browser. First we'll hover over the images banner, and this displays the submenu. From there, we can mouse over each of these image labels, and you'll notice that the image slowly fills in, that is to say, expands and contracts below it.